And we are back.
In a previous episode, we showed you how to clean the engine bay.
And now it's time to dress it up into detail. A quick and easy way to dress up your engine bay is after the cleaning process, you get preserve in a 1:1 dilution ratio and you spray it on the wet plastic parts. Let me show you.
So once a product has been sprayed evenly across, we're going to use the air blower and with a low pressure, work around the trims, making sure that the product gets into all the nooks and crannies.
After that, let it sit for a couple of minutes and you can take a brush to get into those nooks and crannies for a final touch, or use an old microfiber towel to give it a soft wipe down. For some more dressing tips, we will drive the car back into our studio. So we have the car back into the studio. I will show you a couple of ways how to properly dress up your engine bay. The first one, think outside of the box. Like in a previous video, I showed you that I like to use Tire Express on rubbers, and this is what we're going to do in the engine bay as well.
So for a longer lasting protection, we can use trim. But bear in mind, for areas, trims that have crevices or items you can't remove, you're going to have an inconsistency in coverage when applying. In this case, we can get the engine cover off. We're going to remove it and take it to the bench, and we'll show you how. Another tip I can give you on the painted parts inside of your engine bay is a thorough application of cure. Soak an applicator, wipe it in, take a microfiber towel and give it a final wipe down. And if you want to go that extra mile with your engine bay detail, for exposed metal there is metal polish, and for fabric there is fabric coat. And there you have it, a fully cleaned and protected engine bay.
It was quite a challenge, but we are pretty happy with the result. That's all for us now. We are out. See you in the next one.